doing, video or pictures?
Video right now.
Oh. So,
There's a yellow, no? Okay,
that?
that's actually not cool.
Yeah, this box is a little wider than normal, I think.
We do need to put the ribbon on. The pony.
Oh, that's right, the little rubber bands? Where
Yeah,
are those?
they are right on the pallet next to you.
Should eventually be able to tell the difference between the two. Oh, are you smelling honey? Going back to tell all her friends. Okay, I want one on this side.
Yeah.
And then I'm going to put these in the same order here. I'm going to take this one out just to give a little bit of extra room. These guys are going.
Can you get to your knife? Because
yeah, I can't. I just thought of that.
I don't have one on me either.
Okay, I got it.
Do you want video or do you want pictures?
You could do both. It's up to you.